Hello students, yesterday we had learnt about the articles question 1 and 2. Now today we will start with question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct options from brackets. Here in the bracket we are given the options and we have to fill the blanks by selecting the correct one. So let's start. A. They are listening to blank news on radio. So to the news on the radio. Here we are talking about specific news and about a specific mode that how we are listening the news. B. Aruna is the youngest. Now if we are using the superlative form that nobody is younger than her, we will use the here. C. The Vermas. We are talking about Vermas. So it is a specific name. The Vermas live on the first floor. We are talking about a specific floor from the entire building. So the. D. I saw the Chief Minister of Punjab at the Taj recently. A proper noun, a specific name, again a specific name. So the. In the same way students, you have to understand the use of articles and then you have to fill from E to H in your homework. Now let us start question number 4. Write the where required and put a cross mark where it is not required. Now here in the blanks we are given blanks. Wherever the is required, write the, and wherever you feel the is not required, put a cross. A. Blank teacher praised blank presentation I made on blank Tuesday. So the teacher, the presentation, here the is not required. So we will put here cross. B. Rabindranath Tagore received the Nobel Prize in. Here with this here we do not need to write the. So we will put a cross. C. The post office near my house. We are talking about specific post office. So the post office near my house closes at 8 p.m. No need to write the here. D. During winter, birds migrate from the north to the south. So here the north, the south, but here we do not require the, so we will put cross. In the same way, you have to see where the is required, there you have to write. Where you see that the is not required, you have to put a cross. And from E to H is in homework. Now, next exercise, question number 5. Identify the errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. One has been done for you. Now from all these sentences, you have to identify the errors and then you have to rewrite the sentence in the correct form. First is done for us. Write in notebook. Students, you have to write this exercise in notebook as here the place of rewriting is not given. A. Rajesh used to go to the school by the bus. Now see here. Rajesh used to go to school by bus. Here the school is not required and the bus is not required. So we will cut the from these two places. B. The film depicted untold story about unknown hero. Now here an is missing, so we will add an before unknown. C. Bible is a sacred book of Christians. Now Bible is a epic, so it is a specific book. So we will write the Bible. D. Rahul saw a smoke coming out of an house. Now here a smoke is incorrect, so we will cut a from here. And an house, this word starts with the consonant sound. So use of an with house is wrong. So we will use a house. Understood students? In this way you have to solve from E to H in your homework. Next, question number 6. Use the following words to make meaningful sentences. Remember to use articles wherever required. One has been done for you. Now we have to make meaningful sentence from these given words. And you have to write in notebook. Here the place of rewriting is not given. So you have to write this exercise in the notebook. A. Kashish play piano, not tabla. Now Kashish can play the piano but not the tabla. We have used the with piano and the with tabla. B. Diamond won toughest things earth. Diamond is one of the toughest things on earth. We have used the before toughest. C. Dr. Abhay, best teacher entire faculty. Dr. Abhay is the best teacher in the entire faculty. We have used the with best. D. My mother, teacher, father, MP. My mother is a teacher and my father is an MP. See, my mother is a teacher. We have used a here and here an MP. MP starts with the vowel sound. So we have used an MP. Understood, students? In this way you have to complete from E to H in homework.